Here are 4 Kaomoji that express happy. When you tell people that you are happy or enjoyable in Japan, you can put it at the end of a sentence to express your feelings. It is useful in situations such as email and chat where you can convey your feelings only by writing. The emoticons that we introduced are also listed in the summary column, so if you like something, please copy it and use it. Good morning. Good morning. What do you plan to spend tomorrow's vacation? I bought a manga, so I will read it through. Today's dinner is steak. Yeaah. I've got a job. Congratulations.
おはよう。おはよう。明日の休みは何して過ごす予定？漫画を買ったので読破するよ。今日の夜ご飯はステーキだよ。ヤッター。就職が決まったよ。おめでと
う。This is the eye. It is often used when expressing laughing eyes. This is the mouth. You can also express by using circles instead of O. This is the eye. In Japan, it is described as a jitame. This is the mouth. It is a symbol called the universal quantifier of mathematics. Surateno on Japanese keyboard, you can enter this by converting. This is the I. We use greater than and less than equals in the inequality sign in mathematics. The upper half of the I is laughing, and the lower half of the equal is expressing wrinkles and cheeks under the I when laughing. With a Japanese keyboard, you can enter this and this by converting food to go. This is the mouth. The inverted triangle represents the smiling mouth. This is my eye. Acute accents and single quotes are used. With a Japanese keyboard, you can input by converting the single quote or key go. This is the mouth. It is used in many situations, such as when you are happy or sad. You can input by converting kiriru with a Japanese keyboard. This is the cheek. When expressing happiness, we sometimes directly use the kanji this. In addition, there are some that use kanji for emoticons that express feelings such as this and this. Kaomoji are generally used for people such as friends and family. Be careful when using it for superiors such as your boss, or for work situations as it may give a bad impression. That's about it I have to say. If you like it, please subscribe and thumbs up. See you in my next video.
最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。